If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To customize your company's billing and subscription settings, click the Settings button. Then click the Subscriptions and Billing link under the Profile heading in the menu to open the Subscriptions and Billing window. Your company ID and payment method appears at the top of the window. To change your billing information, click the pencil icon to the right of the current billing info to open an Edit Payment pane at the right side of the window. Here, enter your new billing information and then click the Save and Use button to update it and set it as the new payment method. Below that are subscription widgets. Current subscriptions are in color and inactive subscriptions are in black and white. You can click the widget links to manage the related plans or learn more about them. There are widgets for QuickBooks Online and its related services. Active subscription widgets contain links you can click to open a web page and change or view its related settings. These links include Upgrade your plan, Downgrade your plan, View payment history, and Cancel subscription. You can then close these pages. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.